Now, let's hear from Mr. Donovan Stewart, who is a survivor of this robbery.
So I hard there minding my own business. And suddenly, the gate was so violently grabbed open. By the time I look, a AK was in my nose. A AK was in my nose.
You wake up one morning and saw a big M16 nozzle to draw. Feel like
Still in my nose, still now. I have to use good reflex and bounce back and get my AK and carry come and I keep baking it and baking it and baking it in his chest. I empty my Glock in his chest, just bake it, hand bake it, hand bake it, hand bake it, hand bake it. It's a good thing I never brown through it or fry it or jerk it. I had to bake it. If I did brown through it or fry it or jerk it, I would have been dead. It's because I keep baking it, hand baking it, hand baking it, hand baking it. That's why I are alive.
What a strong man. There you have it. Raul Ramirez for KT Live, here live in Miami Gardens.
Was in my nose.